Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I am going to harvest pennyworth leaves, that is Vallarakira in Tamil. I am going to cover in this video how to prune this plant and also how to regrow, and I will show you how to regrow this pennyworth leaves from the roots in pot as well as in the ground. I will show you the two difference. I will show you the difference when you grow in your pot, when you grow in the land. I will show you the difference as well. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching Nageshwari's kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. When we cook, we are going to use only the leaves. If the leaf is too small, like this leaf is too small, so I'm going to leave it to grow.
Like this one.
The grown up leaves, you can trim it. You can use your hand as well. Just take it like this.
Don't take the roots so the
Yeah,
roots can
don't
grow.
remove the roots. I will show you how to replant the roots.
இந்த பஸ்ட் இருக்கு.
Cut பண்ணுமா லைத்தியா? Help me out please.
Okay.
I'm going to take out all the big leaves and then I will show you.
Amma, you took out a
I pruned everything. I just left only the few small leaves that needs to grow more. You need some space for the roots to grow. It's too much of roots in this small pot. So what you have to do, you need to create some space to grow more plants.
by taking out the dry leaves.
No, like they are dry leaves. Like you have to take out some of the roots
Oh.
so that the next plant will grow nicely.
அப்படியே நல்லா உள்ள அமுத்தி விடு. இது வரேன்.
Mint for 2 to 3 months you will not see any leaves. It will dry up, but this pennyworth leaves, this will grow whole year. Throughout the year you can harvest leaves from this one. This is so much of health benefits it's involved in this. Like you will get high memory power, and it activates your brain cells, so it helps to activate brain cells. So it's really important for kids and adults and for everyone, especially for going kids. Give these leaves at least weekly once or monthly once. You will see the difference. So நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி leave some space for the roots. Take out a little bit with the root. And then we are going to plant it. You can separate it if you want.
What happens if you separate it?
You will get more. See, I got this, and I got the root here, and I will get a root here as well. So I got two plants here. So one here and one here.
Amma, plum grow over there.
இங்க பாருங்க.
கொஞ்சம் பாட்டிலே வைடி அப்படியே.
I planted all my pennyworth leaves in here. I will update once it's grown, and I will show you how bushy is going to grow and how big is the leaves are. I will update that as well in this video. This is nearly after 1 month I'm showing this video. Can you see the difference how nicely the growth is, and it's spreading everywhere. If you grow in the pot, the leaf size will be like moderate average size. If you grow in the land, you will get bigger, even bigger than these leaves I picked before. Like even this much size also you will get. If your soil is really healthy, you will be surprised by seeing the growth of these leaves when you plant it in the ground. If you don't have space, you can grow this in the pot as well. I'm growing this leaf in my pot nearly 2 years now. I'm keep getting leaves all the time. Whenever I pick, I will get the leaves another, like in 1 month it will grow faster. And can you see the leaf sizes? It's so big. And you can just keep taking out the leaves and it will grow throughout the year. When you grow these pennyworth leaves, the main important thing that you have to follow is you have to water regularly. If you miss couple of days, the plant will die soon if you're not watering regularly. So water this plant regularly and you will get leaves throughout the year. I hope this video is useful and interesting to you all. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.